Oh, thanks for having me, Seema, and welcome to Anthem of the Seas, where we have 4,600 passengers and we're at 100% load factors.
We can hear them. Let's talk about your earnings, because clearly a lot of interest in pricing, your ability to price cruise packages above 2019 levels. How sustainable is that, Jason?
Well, we really have seen since late summer that our booking activity has been accelerating. And really, when we look since November, that pace has picked up more. And we've had 7, soon to be our 8 of our largest booking weeks in our company's history. And that's really forcing very strong demand from new to cruise and first to brand, looking to go on our 3 incredible brands.
When asked about strong bookings, you referenced the resilience in the jobs market on the conference call. I just wonder how much of this rebound that we're seeing in travel spending, how much that hinges on a strong jobs market. We just heard from Jerome Powell, who mentioned, he expects the job market to soften at some point. Does that worry you?
Well, what we really look at, and what we're talking to our guests every day, what I would refer to as our addressable market. Not only is our addressable market for those that are looking to work employed, but they're also sitting on trillions of dollars of savings. And I think for us, it's not just a combination of a strong job market, but it's a combination of them not being over-levered, them having strong savings, and people shifting their preferences from buying stuff to buying experiences.
You're on board a packed ship. I can see, as you pointed out to us, 4,600 people. I believe North America made up about 70% of total bookings. But with China reopening, how does that number change over time, Jason?
Yeah, well, China was a little bit over 10% of our sourcing pre-COVID. And of course, we have great ambitions for China as it reopens up. And certainly as that market comes back up and running, and when that market comes back up and running, which could be later this year or into 2024, that would be another accelerator for demand onto our businesses.
And is there a reason to wait till 2024 to get back into China?
Well, I think a lot of it is China opening up to outbound group travel, opening up to cruising. And then also, our Chinese consumer goes to places like Japan and South Korea, and making sure that everyone's opening to that regional travel activity taking place.
Well, really interesting to watch this revival in the travel sector, specifically the cruises, which you could argue really needed it. Enjoy the cruise, Jason. Anthem of the Seas, thanks for joining us today. That's Jason Liberty, CEO of Royal Caribbean.